What's up everyone? This is Josh from Fellowship of the Keys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today we're going to be playing and learning how to play Come Back to Earth by Mac Miller off of the first song off of his last album, Swimming. It's a really beautiful song and pretty jazzy, so expect just a decent amount of jazz chords. So you're going to need to know at least the basics of chords in order to play this song. So we're going to jump right into it. Alright, so the first part is just going to sound like this, and then after I play it, we'll get into it. All right, so the first chord is a C major 7. So, and the next chord is about the same thing as the first chord, except your thumb just goes up to the B flat. So easy enough. And then it's going to play an F major 7, which will then go to an E7. So, to repeat, it's alright, and with the right hand, it sounds like this. And then you repeat it. So you play that twice, and then I start on this D. So a little D, E, D, C, A minor, B flat major, to a D minor 7. And then we're gonna play that again. To an A minor. Although this is gonna be a C7, so this chord right there, although it's gonna be inverted, so instead of playing it with a C, E, G, and B flat, I'm gonna move this G down to here, and the B flat as well, so it's gonna sound like that. So it's gonna go A minor, so that C7, and then we're gonna end on the F major 7. And I just played F major 7 all the way up, and a little arpeggio. So that second part is gonna sound like C7, F major 7. So that's the first part of the song, and then whenever Max starts singing "In My Own Way," that part is gonna start off with the same chord, a C major 7, as the start of the song. So it's gonna start off with this, and then the melody is just it's all in the chord as well. So I'm just gonna play it up here. To a D major 7. So it's gonna, And the right hand is just me playing the D minor 7, but I'm just playing it up here instead. So with the first one, oh sorry. See, it's all part of it. Well, this. Alternate reality. And so after that part, it's gonna do a little G minor 7, C7, which we just learned earlier, and then to the F major 7. And I do a little so. And together that's gonna sound like, I'll play it from the second part of that part. And so we end on the F major 7. Then we're gonna jump to an E7 to an E minor. And so that whole right hand kind of plays within that E minor, so that can just chill right here. So we'll start from, so the F major 7, E7, A minor, and this is the only time we're gonna play this chord, but this is just an E flat. To a G. So I'll play that again. F major 7, E7, A minor, to an E flat. And then we're gonna end it on a G. So now we're on the next part of the song where he plays "Oh, the Things I Do." Which the chords are the same as the beginning of the song. So it's C major 7, C7, F major 7, E7. So we're gonna play that again. Oh, the things I do, spend a little time in, and then we're gonna jump to an A minor, L. And we're gonna play this the same G minor 7, C7, F major 7. That should look familiar. E7, A minor. That is just a C, an inverted C. F major 7 to a G. So we're gonna start again back at "Oh, the Things I Do," and I'll say the chords, and you guys just look at my hands, write this down, write down the chords. The melody is not important because it's all in the chords. I'm not moving my hands much. So I'll start it again. C major 7, C7, F major 7, E7 to an A minor. G minor 7, C7, F major 7, E7, which generally always goes to an A minor. C, F major 7, regular G. And now here we're gonna repeat this little C major 7 and D minor 7. So you know this chord. And this is the D minor 7, which we've already played. And honestly, the three notes I'm playing here are G, A, C. And that's all that is. And then just with the chords. And we're gonna repeat it. You know, maybe switch it up. And then whenever he starts with gray skies, we're gonna play an A minor. And you're gonna still keep the same thing going with your right hand. To an F, just a regular F. And we're gonna go back to an A minor, but I like playing it down here. So A minor, C major 7, to an F. And then I like to do this little F crunch right here, which is alright, so that part, I'm gonna play it again and you guys, watch, take notes, and we'll go from there. And you can always add a little juice to it, soften it up. And we're back at the beginning. And we're just gonna phase out. All right, and that's how you play Come Back to Earth. Comment and let me guys know if you want to see a cover of the song or want me to slow it down at all. I think you can slow it down on YouTube as one of the options, but yeah. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more. Appreciate it.